Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best bushcraft backpack you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best bushcraft backpack on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which bushcraft backpack are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is CV Life Bushcraft Backpack. CV Life Tactical Military Backpack includes one large main bag and 3 detachable bags attached on front and 2 sides, and the detachable bags can be transformed into a functional crossbody bag, and 2 small moye pouches, which makes it a practical and functional 4-in-1 tactical rucksack. This multi-purpose backpack can be flexibly regarded as a 50-liter and 60-liter backpack. Spacious military backpack has one main large compartment, one front detachable bag which can be used as a tactical fanny pack separately, 2 side detachable tactical backpack accessories bags which can be used as first aid bags. With 50 to 60 liter extra large capacity, ample rooms for laptop, survival and hiking gear, and plenty of separate compartments to organize your essentials. Moye system of this military moye backpack allows you to easily attach outdoor gear, more bags and sleeping pad. Adjustable dual density ventilated mesh shoulder straps, cinching waist strap, dual compression straps, heavy duty zippers and rain diverting flaps keep your rucksack pack secure and comfortable. This multi-purpose pack can be used as a 72-hour emergency kit, range bag, hunting backpack, army camouflage backpack, 3-day assault pack, survival backpack, hiking trekking camping rucksack, and outdoor backpack. For details, let's watch more. Our second best bushcraft backpack is Teton Bushcraft Backpack. The Teton Sports Scout is among the greatest capacity for overnight maneuvers that you can take without requiring a whole hammock bag. It packs as much of your requirements for short stays in the woods into its 55-liter design. With side pockets, top pockets, hydration compartments, compressions, straps, bungee storage, sleeping bag compartments, and gear loops, you can arrange your equipment to meet your needs, with necessities stored at arm's reach. The zipper on the bag's compartment is prone to getting caught, as it's equipped with a Z-lip. This rainfly is built into the pack, meaning there's no need to worry when the weather is bad. This backpack is a great bushcraft kit for longer trips. Not only will it be effective at keeping me cozy and organized, but it also comes with a lifetime warranty to give you peace of mind about the replacement in the unlikely event that you require it. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Gudium Bushcraft Backpack. Thick canvas backpack with durable metal fastenings, garment washed for vintage look and enhances soft hand feel. This high-density canvas backpack features a classic shape with several pockets for storage and organization. Ample interior room accommodates a 17-inch laptop as well as holding a variety of other items. This rucksack has a roomy main compartment, one large front pockets closed by button, one internal security zippered pocket for valuable items and 2 side pockets with button closure. The stitching is clean, even and smooth throughout. Quality craftsmanship is obvious although the canvas backpack. The leather trim makes the separate design look even better. Though the Gudium branding is prominently shown on the bag's top, it blends in well with the overall design. The backpack's compact size limits the interior volume to 33 liters, making it an excellent choice if you only plan on bringing a little. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Rebo Gear Bushcraft Backpack. The tactical assault backpack with double-stitched, heavy-duty zippers and utility-style cord pulls, side and front load compression system, comfortable padding back area, ventilated mesh padding shoulder strap. This well-made backpack extends into the bargain for all your survival gear, even if you happen to be placing everything into it. Optionally, it includes a compression system so you can compress your backpack if you're not filling it to capacity. There is a set of 4 pockets with different patterns and wood finishes for you to select from. There are also attachment points on the side. The sleeve where you keep your water goes below your back to help distribute your load evenly. The compartments are secured by zippers that can't be repaired or replaced as easily as a buckle or drawstring. Because of this, it's worth being careful when packing so that it's not overfilled. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best bushcraft backpack list is Mountaintop Bushcraft Hiking Backpack. This 40-liter hiking backpack is suitable for weekend vacations or 3-day excursions, which is made from tear and water-resistant polyester fabric. Rugged good looks make this excellent backpack for all kinds of adventures, great choice for hikers, hunters, and fishermen. This 40-liter backpack has multiple pockets and storage compartments. The large main compartment can hold a 15.6-inch laptop. The travel trekking backpack has spacious main compartment and multiple pockets and storage compartments. The bottom compartment has direct access to the main compartment, so you can easily take out your items. In addition, various compression belts can additionally carry trekking poles, sleeping bags, tents and other camping equipment. With breathable mesh padding and a ventilated back system, this camping pack will not only keep your items dry but will also prevent unwanted sweat when the temperature gets hotter. The ergonomically designed structure helps to evenly disperse the weight when full, making it a comfortable carry even when hiking.